So you're thinking about moving to Northeast Florida, and you really like the Jacksonville, Florida area, and you really want a concrete block house. Well, here's the thing, and I have to explain this. I want to explain this to everybody. In the Jacksonville area, Jacksonville proper, the city limits, Duval County, even a lot of St. Augustine area, if you want a concrete block home, you're probably not going to find one because 99% of the homes are stick-built homes, wood frame construction. Not a thing wrong with that, but some people, they really want concrete block. And I don't try to talk them out of it. I just make them aware that there's going to be certain areas where you're going to find concrete block homes, particularly new construction. I'm in Palm Coast, Florida. I've done other videos here in Palm Coast, Florida. Today I'm featuring a builder that several of my customers have chosen to do business with because they really like the homes, and I understand why. Miranda Homes. I'm at the Enclave at Seminole Palms. Now, this is an HOA CDD community, and some people say, I'm out, I want no part of that. I get it. If you want the amenities that come with living a resort lifestyle here in Florida, in Northeast Florida, most of the communities are going to have an HOA that provide those type of amenities and a CDD. Monthly between the HOA and the CDD in this community, you're going to spend about $230 a month. But with that comes dog park, resort style pool, clubhouse, fitness center, sidewalks throughout, underground utilities, very high and dry, really nice community. I'm going to keep going with this because the homes that I'm showing you, if you fall in love with those, but you can't deal with the HOA CDD, that's fine. We can build those homes on scattered lots. Those are, one-off lots within Palm Coast, and you won't have an HOA or CDD. You won't be in here in the Enclave at Seminole Palms with all these amenities, but you can get homes like these by Miranda Homes, concrete block construction. You can also get homes on wider lots within those scattered lots within Palm Coast, and you can get 3-car garages. But I wanted you to see these models because they're pretty cool homes, even though they're shown with 2-car garages. Again, I'm going to emphasize that Palm Coast is about 50 minutes south of the Jacksonville city limits. It's not too far at all from St. Augustine. And this community that I'm in, it's only 10 minutes from Flagler Beach. Yes, you heard correctly, 10 minutes from Flagler Beach. Anyway, we're going to get started on our walkthroughs right now. Just 10 minutes from Flagler Beach, Enclave at Seminole Palms offers that hard-to-find blend of new construction, planned amenities, and coastal convenience. I'm featuring Miranda Homes in this Palm Coast master plan community, where buyers can find concrete block construction homes, along with amenities like a pool, fitness center, playground, and dog park. From here, you're a quick drive over the intracoastal waterway and straight into downtown Flagler Beach, with local restaurants, shops, and that laid-back beach town feel. And just a little farther south, you'll find wide open beaches, ocean views, and the Florida lifestyle so many buyers are searching for. All right, I'm going to get started with the Drexel floor plan. Again, this is obviously a one-story home. It's 1,980 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's shown with a 2-car garage. In this community, it can be built with a 3-car garage outside of this community. Price on this one is going to run you in the low 300,000s out the door. Let's take a look right now. Of course, this is the offices for the staff. That would normally be your 2-car garage. This one has a nice stucco over concrete block exterior. It's got guttering, vinyl soffits, and you have multiple elevations to choose from. That's the exterior appearance of the home if you wanted to build one. Otherwise, you're going to be taking what they have for inventory, which is pretty nice. They pretty well load these homes up. Okay, you got an 8-foot door opening going in. Here we have bedroom number 1. Linen closet here. You have a full bathroom here with tile up to the ceiling. Here we have bedroom number 2. Got a nice wide hallway here. And I'm going to go forward. This is the owner's suite with a tray ceiling. Nice large walk-in closet. Very large owner's bathroom. Dual sinks. Nice walk-in shower, tile to the ceiling, water closet here with the higher toilets.
You're welcome. Yes, have a great weekend.
Now we're in the main living area. Get you a good look at this area, which opens up to, these are triple glass sliders, and you've got these on each side. You've got a full screened in lanai across the back. Beautiful kitchen. Stone counters. Look at all the storage space, even in the island. This is your laundry room. Of course, they added crown molding all the way around, ceilings. Cabinets continue across the kitchen now. Nice area here for coffee. And they've got this set up for dining. Real quick, if we haven't met before, my name's Jay Wike. I'm a local realtor here in the Jacksonville, Florida area, and today I'm in Palm Coast. If you have any questions about anything that I'm showing you today, if you're thinking about relocating here, whatever the reason, whatever the season, I'm here to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. My contact information will be pinned in the comments as well as in the description of this video. I'm happy to help you make a smooth move to Jax. Now I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of this beautiful Carlisle floor plan. Again, this one's going to be almost 3,000 square feet. You can pick one of these up for in the low 400,000s. That's inclusive of the lot. Very well set up with designs. You could build one, and if you wanted to, and add the 3-car garage. Again, I'm in the Enclave at Seminole Palms, so if you want all the amenities, you don't mind a CDD fee, and you don't mind a 2-car garage, this is a great community for you. If you have to have that 3-car garage and HOA and CDD, drives you crazy, the thought of it, you don't have to do that. You can build this on a scattered lot. Plus, Miranda has inventory homes on the scattered lots. Anyway, let's take a look at this floor plan. Again, just right around 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, shown with a 2-car garage, but you can build it as a 3. Let's go. Okay, this one has the nice Florida field stone elevation. And again, the homes have multiple elevations. That's just how they look on the outside. There will be some price differences. This has got a nice 8-foot door opening here. Nice covered front patio, front porch. As we enter the home, very nice and spacious and elegant. Taking a look back, of course they've got crown molding, as you can see, around the ceilings. They have this front room set up, I would say, as a dining room. This is some under the stairs storage. It goes in and makes a turn, so you can utilize all that space for storage. This is the entrance from your 2-car garage. Motion light switches, as you can see. That's for your powder room. Continuing on forward, get a real nice look at the kitchen, gourmet kitchen. Got double ovens here. Very large island with seating and cabinets built in. This is your pantry, of course. You have tiled subway tile backsplash, white shaker cabinets, quartz countertops. We have a nice dinette set here, adjacent to the kitchen. Beautiful screened in lanai in the back. Moving forward, you have this nice area set up for cards and letters and studying and laptops, gaming, whatever you want to do. Make a turn to our right here. You have a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, tiled to the ceiling, very nice transom window. Of course, you do have 1 bedroom downstairs on this home, and we are in it. Really nice look at this open floor plan here on the first level. Even more room, furniture here. And I will meet you at the top of the stairs. And we are at the top of the stairs, and as you can see, they come up and make a turn. And off to our left, we have a Pac-Man themed video area. Classic Nintendo, I love it. Here to our left is the laundry room. Hair handler up here. And we are in another bedroom, which this one is en suite, which connects to another adjacent bedroom right here. Nice walk-in shower, tiled to the ceiling. Study zone. Love the vinyl, love the music theme. This is bedroom number 3. This is the owner's suite with a nice tray ceiling. Here's the owner's bathroom. Nice walk-in shower. Nice large tub for soaking. There's your water closet. Look at the size of this owner's closet. Another nice full bathroom. This one has a tub shower combination. And we have our last and final bedroom. Hey, thanks again for watching. If this brought you some value, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you would like to share this, that's also welcome, and always subscribe if you'd like more content. Again, my name's Jay Wike, local realtor here in the Jacksonville, Florida area. Give me a call, text, email. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville.